Good morning. As you can see, it's raining, and rainy day is not my favorite kind of day. I'm in Tryavna right now as part of this trip. It's an info trip, like with a couple of other bloggers from Romania. The first 2 days weren't that bad, but today's raining, and it's not. I don't think it's gonna get any better. Good thing I brought my umbrella. Definitely not my kind of weather. And I was thinking earlier, whoa, where should I go next? And I was dreaming about sandy destinations, to put it like that. Definitely I don't like this rainy, cold autumn weather. Is not for me. My body is reacting to it. Yesterday wasn't so bad. This is more like a very small traditional place in Bulgaria. I told you, in the middle of it. Just people come here to relax, and they have a few museums and activities. But yeah, you definitely have to go outside to do them, and yeah, that's a deal breaker for me. I don't know if I'm just very spoiled, but bring me back my summer. Okay, time to go out. Wish me good luck. Look, I have a new friend. Oh, that's so cute. I have a new friend. Look how cute he is. I have this cute kitten. Oh, meow. You can meow, don't ya? Don't ya? You can meow. Oh, okay. So the first stop of the day is this old house, which is the house of a former teacher around Daskalov.
In the beginning of 19, here in Tryavna were practiced more than 40 crafts. The talented Tryavna artisans have left remarkable masterpieces from wood carving, icon painting, and building. And that's why here in Tryavna was found the earliest school of art in the period of the Bulgarian revival. Daskalov's house accommodated the one and only museum of wood carving in Bulgaria. This house is a monument of culture with national importance, and it's one of the representatives of the early revival period in Tryavna.
You know, I don't see any heating.
So there are a lot of friendly cats around here. Bulgaria is definitely a place for friendly cats. I really like this. Tryavna, the old church, which was rebuilt in the 1800s by local masters. Everything was made here, and this is a very famous place because the square, although it's really old, they managed to preserve the original looks of everything. And this is the magic wand that would make them learn. So I find this very important room here in this old school. Obviously it's the classroom. So right now I'm sitting on the teacher's chair, which is obviously the most important chair in the room, and the blackboard. And here we have something very interesting. You can see the white badges where, like, before the grading system was invented, they would give students those badges for the good one and the black ones for the ones who were not so good in school. And this is the classroom, and you know, the classroom was for all grades, starting from the first bench was like the first grade and then going up to the 4th grade. So this is like a really old school. I'm guessing most of them were just going to the 4th grade to school. Here we have sand, so they were basically learning to draw the letters with their fingers. Then you have using the chalk and a board to write, and then you were using ink starting from the 3rd grade. So it would take a while to start actually writing. And unfortunately, back in the days, the most important tool the teachers were using to make students learn was well, a lot of discipline and a bit of violence, sometimes too much. So here is another place for all the crafts, wood carving, leather, all kinds, ceramic. They have a lot of masters in this area, and a lot of crafts are now used as a tourist attraction and to decorate everything. It's really cool. So this is the African Art Museum in Tryavna. So this African Foreign Cultural Museum has objects from Tibet, a lot of things from Tibet, from India, from Nepal, from Indonesia, Bali, and some mass from Africa, like Tanzania and Namibia here. A weird, strange collection to find in this place, but quite different than all the rest. See the best view in town. After a very cold morning and a lot of suffering and rain, the sun is finally out. We can see it. It's getting warm. Don't need all my clothes on me anymore. I'm a bit more happy now. And I'm enjoying this beautiful, beautiful view. I give to you Tryavna bread. It's a very special bread. It looks like it has cheese inside.
Yeah,
Does it have cheese inside?
Yes, there is cheese.
There is cheese and these are spices. They somehow go together. So welcome to the Museum of icon painting, which is a very popular thing to have in the Orthodox churches. Basically, this is what we have in our churches. We don't have statues, we have icons, paintings, just like these ones. And this is a museum for that. So, cheers. Cheers. So, for my last dinner in Bulgaria, I will finally try the rosé Bulgarian wine, which is very good.
This was gonna become cold until you get old,
Because after it's gone.
she needs to do a life.
No, I don't need. I just need to show my face in reaction to this. I have my fries. I'm good. I'm good.
But she's not eating to eat.
No. So, I don't know why people are so excited about